So, if you're out there looking for a job right now, you have definitely felt it. Things have changed. It's faster, it feels way more competitive, and right in the middle of all of it is AI. The big question is, how do you navigate this new world and actually use AI to get ahead? Well, that's what we're going to break down.
I mean, let's just be real for a second. Who actually enjoys writing a cover letter or spending hours trying to get that one bullet point on your resume just right? It's a grind. For decades, this has been one of the most stressful parts of building a career. But now, AI is stepping in to change the game.
The first thing you've got to understand is that this isn't just about you using AI. For years, companies have been using their own AI, those applicant tracking systems to scan and filter out resumes. But now, candidates are fighting fire with fire, using their own AI tools to apply. It's basically become a new tech arms race with algorithms on both sides of the hiring desk.
And this isn't just some theory. The numbers are pretty staggering. On the company side, you've got giants like Hilton using AI to cut their hiring time from 6 weeks down to just 5 days. That's an 85% drop. And on the candidate side, a recent survey found that 43% of recent grads are already using AI to work on their resumes. Yeah, this race is very, very real.
So, what does this new job hunt actually look like? It can feel a little intimidating for sure, but here's the thing. If you use it the right way, AI can be less of an enemy and more like your own personal career coach, one that's on call 24/7, help you figure out your next move.
Just think about the entire journey of finding a job. AI can be right there with you at every single stage. From the very beginning, when you're just brainstorming what you even want to do, all the way to the very end, helping you negotiate a better salary when that offer finally comes through.
Let's start right at the beginning, discovery. Instead of just guessing what's out there, you can literally give an AI your resume and your interests and ask it to be your career strategist. A prompt like this is brilliant because it can open your eyes to roles you might never have even thought of, turning that vague feeling of what's next into a real, concrete list of options.
Okay, so once you've picked a role, it's time to build your application. And this is where that robot versus robot battle really kicks off. Your first goal is just to get past the company's automated filters. You can feed the job description into an AI, and it'll tell you the exact keywords and skills you need to highlight. This alone dramatically boosts your chances of ever being seen by a real human.
Now, here's where it gets really interesting. AI can even get you ready for the human part of the process. With a prompt like this, you're essentially running a mock interview for the exact job you want. The AI can predict the questions and even help you shape your own experiences into powerful answers using proven frameworks like the STAR method, where you talk about the situation, task, action, and result. It is an absolute game changer for interview prep.
All right, this all sounds pretty amazing, like a huge leg up. But, and this is the big question, what do the actual human recruiters, the people making the final call, really think about all this?
And here it is, the big reality check, straight from a recruiter on Reddit. You have to remember, these folks look at hundreds of applications. They've developed a kind of sixth sense for AI-generated text. So even if you get past the first robot, the final gatekeeper is a human, and they can spot a fake a mile away.
So what gives it away? Well, recruiters are flagging a few key things. They're seeing language that's just stuffed with buzzwords but feels totally empty. They notice when simple tasks are described with these over-the-top words like remarkable. They see phrasing that sounds, and I love this term, over-architected and unnatural. The bottom line is, it just doesn't sound like a real person wrote it.
This chart from the University of Bath lays it out perfectly. Look, it's totally fine to use AI to brainstorm, check your grammar, or help you structure your thoughts. What's not okay, and this is a huge red flag, is copying answers word for word, making up skills, or just letting the AI do all the thinking for you.
But here's a really important piece of nuance. Employers aren't actually against AI. In fact, data from ZipRecruiter shows that 3 out of 4 employers are totally fine with candidates using it. The key is how you use it. They're cool with it being a tool that helps you, but not a crutch that replaces you.
So that leads us right to the solution. Now that we know the pitfalls, how do we use these incredible tools the smart way without setting off any of those alarm bells for recruiters?
The single most important rule to remember is this. AI should be your co-pilot, not your autopilot. Its job is to assist you, to help you refine what you already bring to the table. The real substance, your experiences, your stories, your voice, that has to come from you.
So here's a simple 3-step way to do this. Step 1, you provide the raw material, the real stuff, your achievements, your metrics,
Step 2, let the AI refine the structure. Maybe it suggests stronger verbs or helps you add the right keywords. And then Step 3, the most important one. You take it back and personalize it, making sure it sounds like you and that every single fact is correct. You're always in the driver's seat.
So before you even think about hitting that submit button, run through this checklist. Have you reviewed every single sentence? Have you added a personal anecdote that only you could tell? Did you fact-check for any of those weird AI hallucinations where it just makes stuff up? Does it actually sound like you? And, super important, did you make sure not to paste any sensitive personal data into the tool? Now this is what an expert-level Copilot prompt looks like. See the difference? You're not asking the AI to write something for you from scratch. You're giving it your accomplishment and telling it exactly how to structure it for the biggest impact. The result is a powerful, quantified bullet point that is 100% your own.
And all of this brings us to the final and honestly, the most important piece of the puzzle. In a world where everybody has access to these AI tools, what is it that's actually going to make you the one who gets the job?
It really just boils down to this simple truth. An AI can help you write a perfect resume that a computer algorithm will love. But an AI cannot walk into an interview room and build a genuine connection with another person. That part, that's all you.
Think of it this way. AI handles the mechanics, the keywords, the sentence structure, the grammar. But the heart of your application, the stuff that really makes a hiring manager sit up and take notice, that's what only you can bring to the table. Your unique story, your genuine passion, and your ability to connect on a human level.
And this quote from the team at the University of Bath just says it all. Authenticity is what makes you stand out. At the end of the day, companies are not looking to hire a perfectly polished AI tool. They're looking to hire a person.
So as you're navigating this new job market, just remember that AI is an amazing tool to help you get your foot in the door. But it's your story, your unique experiences, and your personality that's going to get you across the finish line. The most important question isn't what the AI can write, it's what story only you can tell.